In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a brand theme in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option does, and how to make your stream look polished and on brand. Start by entering the StreamYard studio for the broadcast you're working on. Once you're in, draw your attention to the right side of the screen. This is your control panel for visual settings. Here, click on Style and then open the Brand tab. This is the hub for all your visual customization. Within the Brand tab, look for the Themes section. This is where you select how on-screen elements are displayed. StreamYard offers several theme styles: Classic, Bubble, Minimal, and Block. Each one changes the look of names, comments, and banners. For example, some themes use rounded shapes and softer edges, while others are clean and straightforward. Hover for a quick preview if available, then click the theme you want to use. The moment you click, the theme is applied, so you can immediately see how your overlays, banners, and guest name tags will appear in the live layout. Next, customize your brand details to make the theme feel like yours. Choose your brand color so accents like name tags and banners match your identity. If your background looks plain, add a background image that complements your colors. Overlays can add a professional frame or header around your video, so consider using one if it reinforces your style without cluttering the screen. Keep readability in mind. Pick colors with good contrast so names and comments are easy to read. If you want to share announcements or key points, add banners. These are short text blocks you can show and hide during your stream. For ongoing updates, like a website link or a show topic, create a ticker. This displays scrolling text along the bottom and is great for non-intrusive reminders. Keep both banners and tickers concise so they don't distract from your content. Remember, the theme you click is automatically applied to your stream, and changes are reflected in real time. Take a moment to preview how your names, comments, banners, and any overlays or backgrounds work together. If something feels too busy or hard to read, simply switch themes or adjust your color and text choices until everything looks clean and consistent. That's it. You've entered the studio, opened the brand controls, selected a theme, customized your color and visuals, and confirmed the theme is applied. You're ready to go live with a cohesive, professional look that matches your brand.